Now, interest on drawing, calculation of interest on drawing under the various circumstances. So, first case, if the partner withdrew the same amount, means equal amount, at the first day of every month throughout the year. Throughout the year means throughout the financial year. So, if the partner withdrew, suppose 5,000 per month in the beginning of every month throughout the financial year. Throughout the financial year. Suppose our financial year is 2019, which start from 1st April 2019 and is going to close on 31st March 2020. So, if the 5,000 per month is withdrawn at the beginning of every month, it means 1st April, 1st May, 1st June, 1st July, 1st August, 1st September, 1st October, 1st November, 1st December, 1st January, 1st February and 1st March. 5,000 rupees every month is withdrawn at the beginning of every month. Then what will be the interest on drawing? If rate of interest, suppose it is 10% per annum, 10% per annum. So, interest on drawing is equal to 5,000 rupees per month. So, in a financial year, there is a 12 months. So, 5,000 into 12. This is the drawing for the whole year, whole financial year. 5,000 into 12 means 60,000. Rate of interest 10 upon 100 into, we'll calculate for how many months the interest will be calculated. For that, there is a one thing, time left after first drawing plus time left after the last drawing upon 2. So, time left after the first drawing. First drawing is 1st April 2019 and the last drawing is 1st March 2020. First drawing is on 1st April 2019 and the last drawing in this financial year will be 1st March 2020. So, time left after this drawing 1st April to 31st March 2020 is 12 months and from 1st March 2020 to 31st March 2020 it's 1 month. So, time left after the first drawing 12 months, time left after the last drawing is 1 month. So, what we'll do, 12 plus 1 upon 2 means 13 by 2 means 6.5 months. We'll calculate the interest for 6.5 months. So, 6.5 upon 12. 6.5 upon 12. So, 6.5 upon 12, this will be 3,250. 3,250. 60,000 into 10 upon 100 is the interest and 6.5 upon 12. The interest will be 3,250. This 6.5 is calculated. Time left after the first drawing is on 1st April, time left after that up to 31st March 2020, 12 months. From 1st April to 31st March 2020 it's 12 months and 1st March 2020 is the last drawing of that financial year. From 1st March to 31st March it's 1 month. So, we'll find out the average of these two, 12 plus 1 divided by 2. We'll find out the average. So, average is 6.5. Now, second case, case number 2. If the partner withdrew 5,000 per month at the end of every month, means if I am talking about April, 30th April, our last drawing will be on 31st March. Last drawing will be on 31st March. At the end of every month, first drawing will be on 30th April. If our financial year is April to March, 30th April will be the first drawing, and last drawing of that financial year will be on 31st March 2020. So 5,000 into 12 is a drawing for the whole year, into rate of interest on drawing, into, now we will find out for how many months the interest will be calculated. So from 30th April to 31st March 2020, it's 11 month, and 31st March to 31st March, it's a 0 month. So (11 plus 0), 11 means 5.5, 5.5 months, 5.5 months. So interest will be 2,750. Now case 3. Now come to case 3. If amount is withdrawn, if a partner withdrew the amount or withdraw the amount 5,000 per month at the mid of every month throughout the year, throughout the financial year, mid of every month, it means on 15th April or on 15th March. So interest on drawing will be 5,000 into 12 for the 12 months, the total drawing, into rate of interest 10% into, we will find out the month over here. So 15th April to 31st March, it is 11.5 months, and 15th March to 31st March, it is 0.5. So 11.5 plus 0.5 upon 2. So 12 upon 2. It is 6 months. So interest will be charged for 6 months. So it is 3,000. So this month is calculated on the basis of time left after the first drawing plus time left after the last drawing upon 2. We will find out the average time. So average time, if the amount withdrawn by the partner constantly or fixed amount at the beginning of every month throughout the year, then it is 6.5 months. If at the end of the year, then it is 5.5. And if at the middle of every month, means 15th April, 15th May, 15th June, and so on, last drawing will be on 15th March. So average will be 11.5 plus 0.5, 12 upon 2 means 6 months. Okay.